Hi folks, welcome to another video from the Malton Motor Company. Today we're really proud to present this Jaguar 3.2 V8 XJ8 X308 on a 98 on an R reg. Now this car is a beautiful car finished in gleaming Madeira red metallic, as you can see. And it's got oatmeal full leather interior with faultless walnut veneers. It's done 63,000 miles. It's a car that we previously sold 2 years ago. And we're really pleased to have it back now. I'll just go around slowly so you can see. I'm sorry it's inside today, but the weather is atrocious outside. So we're going to leave it in here, keep it clean. We have done a 5-stage machine polish on it and a full interior valet. We've been through everything as you would expect, as we normally do. It's not long since had a full engine service. It's got parking sensors on the back, you can see. Chrome boot plinth. It's got the Celtic wheels, which have all been refurbished. It's got a genuine set of mud flaps. Got the chrome handles on the doors and the chrome mirrors. It's also got a chrome grille, but it's got the mesh inserts, so it's got like an XJR style grille. It's got the spring-loaded leaping bonnet mascot, new style wiper blade, and the tyres are all matching all the way around with a massive amount of tread still left on them. And they don't look to be very old at all. I'll just go around and show you. It's absolutely beautiful, this colour. Now, like I say, we know the car. We had it 2 years ago. We bought it from a gentleman in Glasgow. We then had it for a very, very short space of time where we cleaned it all up and obviously did our normal recommissioning. And then we sold it to a gentleman who lives near Harrogate. And he has absolutely fastidiously looked after the car. It's had several services in 2 years. He's been fanatical about preserving it and keeping it absolutely tip-top. So this car, it still looks just like it did when we sold it 2 years ago. There's no corrosion on the car, there's no damage. Everything works as it should. And it's got a full service record. It actually has a full history folder with it as well, which I will take some photographs and upload those. It's got a massive, comprehensive record with it, showing you photographs of it underneath and everything. But like I say, I will take those pictures and I will upload those onto our business Facebook page because we can put, a vast amount of photographs on there. We're limited on our website to 25. So let's just go around a little bit further. Just going to go slow so you can take it all in, because it's not the best of light in here. However, the car is beautiful. It's a real credit to its former keepers. Like I say, it's wanted. It's never wanted for anything in terms of maintenance, because the last owner, like I say, has looked after it regardless of cost. We did a full comprehensive recommission on it when we bought it. And of course, when you see the folder of its maintenance record, you'll see how it's always been looked after and cherished all its life. So it's a very, very unusual example for one of these, because it's just so nice. Most of the cars that you see now in the marketplace are they just don't cut it, unfortunately. They're a lot of money for, for low quality examples. But this is a fantastic example, and it will retain its value if looked after, because these X308s are very, very popular, very, very sought after. People love them because they drive really modern. They've got all the technology on them to make them, you know, comfortable, central locking, electric windows, electric mirrors, you know, nice stereo system. They drive really, really well, and they handle nice, they go well. And actually on a run, they're really economical on fuel, you know, for the size and weight of the car. So yeah, out of all the XJs, these are really, really popular and sought after. But unfortunately, there are bad examples out there that are rusty, rotten, you know, sketchy service history. But don't confuse this car with those, because it really is in a different league. This is top draw, top notch example, in a fantastic colour, very, very, very popular and sought after colour combination. Everybody loves this Madeira red, and of course, you know, the light against the light interior, oatmeal, looks fantastic. It's got the original hand painted cream coach line on this car as well, so it just shows you, you know, it's not a stick on one, it's not missing, it's got the original factory coach line on it. And like I say, all the wheels are absolutely mint. Right, let's have a look inside. So, as you can see there, first things first, the little button on the boot switch works perfectly well. It's got all its hinge covers all intact, they're not all smashed off like you see on a lot of these. It's got overmats in the boot, and the boot carpets are absolutely fantastic anyway, as you can see, but it's always had the overmats in. CD stacker there, as you can see around all the apertures in the boot. Hopefully you'll be able to see with the light on this video. They're all fantastic, and of course all the boot skin is perfect as well. All the back bumpers, lovely condition, chrome's nice on it. It's got the rear lights with the chrome surrounds as well, which always, you know, set the car off, especially in this, you know, in the darker colours. So that's the back end. Electric aerial, that works absolutely fine. And as you'll see in the back window, it's got the factory sunblind in it as well. Also around the rear window, absolutely perfect, no rust there like you find. Just going down a little bit so you can see, no rust on the wheel arches, there's no blibbing or rust around here where they normally go, no scabs on the wheel arches, no scabs on the bottom of the doors, sills all clean. Bottom of the wings, beautiful, no blisters, no rust. I think it's just recently had as well discs and pads all round. I will go and check in the history and have a look, but I'm sure that's the case. We had it on the ramp a couple of days ago. Just generally inspecting it, absolutely tip top underneath, no problem at all. So this car's got an MOT with no advisories until August next year, but depending on when it sells, we'll more than likely just put an additional 12 months MOT on it. It's just a formality really, taking it up the road for an MOT. It gives us peace of mind, you peace of mind, because it wasn't done by us, the last MOT. But as far as I can see underneath, there's no issues at all. It'll just glide straight through its next MOT. Right, let's have a quick look underneath the bonnet and then we'll do the interior. The car runs extremely well. Obviously you can't have it running here, but just take our word for it. We know what we're doing with these cars. And the car runs absolutely perfect. The reason why the guy wants to sell it back to us basically was because he's looking to purchase an XK8 convertible. That was on his bucket list, but he was sorry to see this go because he's absolutely loved it and cared for it. I think he must have polished it 100 times since he's had it. But yeah, lovely. Just show you around the other side. All the levels are correct. All the Screen washer's been topped up. The oil's absolutely fantastic. That's just clean as a whistle. Antifreeze is the correct strength. Brake fluid's fine. And as you can see, they're golden still on the dipstick. Not long since been done. Maybe a couple of 100 miles ago. So there you go. That's underneath the bonnet. Soundproofing's all nice. Bonnet's gorgeous. Just so straight as this car. Again, we'll go around this side. As you can see, bottoms of the wings, bottom of the doors, all the sills, absolutely perfect. No rust at all around the arches or anything. Just a proper car. Again, if it wasn't, we wouldn't have it. So it shows you all around the door apertures. The door skin's perfect. All the wood veneer's nice. All the door cards, no damage, no marks, no damage. Speaker covers, carpet, overmats like brand new. Passenger seat there, look. It's got the armrest with the drinks cup holders in it. It comes with a full handbook set, locking wheel nut key. It also comes with the chrome dials as well. They are additional. It's got the leather and wood steering wheel in this, which is lovely. Wood gear knob. It's got radio cassette, CD stacker. It's got the sports function on the gearbox. It's got AC climate control, air conditioning, front fogs, multifunction steering wheel, auto lights, auto wipers as usual. You can see in there in the door jambs, beautiful. But yeah, been so well looked after. Look at the door cards, just like brand new. And the overmats in the back there, beautiful. Headliner, as you can see, it's perfect. No sagging on the headliner. Back seat's gorgeous. So we'll look around this side. Yeah, sorry guys, it's inside. Hopefully you can see properly, but like I say, we need to get the video done and uploaded, and we just can't wait really for the weather to clear up. It's probably set in for the rest of the week now. This rain. I'm sure you can get a gist from the video, and obviously if you're really interested, you can come and view the car in person, can't you? Driver's seat's beautiful. Yeah, 63,915 miles recorded. Most Jags you see, I mean that's very low mileage for a car of this age obviously, but most Jags you see even with that mileage are well used and well worn. Sometimes they just get into the wrong hands and they just get used and abused, because they got down to such a low value at one point. But now, of course, the values of them are skyrocketing. They're a good investment, and enthusiasts love them. They look like a proper Jag. They ride like one. They're quiet, they're smooth. The suspension's fantastic on them. And, of course, these V8s, they go really well as well. This is the 3.2, but they go well. They like to be revved. They go really well. And of course, they're very refined, very smooth, very quiet. Just a fantastic car. This car is for sale. It's priced at $13,995, which we think is really good value, because the car doesn't need anything doing at it. It's ready to put fuel in and go. Just a tax up, put fuel in, and you're down the road. Nothing to do at it. Absolutely beautiful. No damage on the front bumper. No cracked headlights, no cracked light lenses on the front bumper like you see on a lot of cars. No scuffs on the bumpers. No dents. Just a really honest, straight car with loads of life left in it. And Again, a car that the previous owner took to many shows and was really proud to do so, which you can see. It's a fantastic car. But again, when we first selected it, we only select cars that are absolutely gorgeous. And this was no exception. This was always a nice car, and it still is a nice car. The guys looked after it. It's like as if it left here and nobody had ever used it, really. So, in conclusion, all enthusiasts, Jaguar Owners Club members, get your inquiries in quick, because usually these cars in this condition and in this colour combination especially don't hang around for long. It's inside our heated, well-lit showroom for viewing by appointment only. The telephone number to call to make an appointment is 07759 938 395, and we'll be really proud to show you it. Thanks for viewing, and we'll see you again really soon with something else. Bye for now.